1, 2, 3, 4 and this little guy 5. 5 things for one cause, and that cause is monitor mode. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Parvinder from P&P Tutorials and you are watching the P&P Tutorials channel. Now in this video tutorial, I am going to talk about top 5 USB Wi-Fi adapter for hacking. I was getting hundreds and thousands of queries about TP-Link WN722N. People were facing lots of problem as they were unable to enable the monitor mode in TP-Link WN722N. So I just want to clear out that confusion. See, first TP-Link was selling the TP-Link WN722N version 1, which was based on the Atherois AR9271 chipset, but for some reason TP-Link changed the chipset of TP-Link WN722N version 2, and that's the reason TP-Link WN722N version 2 does not support the monitor mode. That's not the real problem with the TP-Link, but the real problem is they are selling TP-Link WN722N version 2 on the same Amazon link which was actually for the TP-Link WN722N version 1. That's the only reason why I am creating a video, so that I can help out lot many people with monitor mode enabled USB Wi-Fi. So let's get started. The basic criteria to judge a USB Wi-Fi adapter will be based on the speed, signal strength, dual band compatibility, cost to buy USB Wi-Fi adapter, and portability. So before going ahead, I just want to tell you guys that numbering is so random, and at the end of this video you will be able to choose best USB Wi-Fi adapter for you. So watch this video till end. All USB Wi-Fi adapter which I'm going to show you in this video are plug and play and supports the monitor mode. So this feature is going to be common in all USB Wi-Fi adapters. So let's talk about our first USB Wi-Fi adapter, and that is number 5 Panda PAU06. It comes with the speed of 300 megabit per second. It is based on the Raylink RT5372 chipset and hence supports the monitor mode. It has one 5 dBi detachable antenna. As you can see guys, maximum signal strength which it is able to receive is 75 dB, and the minimum signal strength which it is able to receive is 28 dB from Arun Wi-Fi zone. And number of Wi-Fi routers which it is able to detect are 5. Its cost is $15 on Amazon.com and 2300 rupees on Amazon.in. It is very portable according to its size. And now let's talk about the fourth number of USB Wi-Fi adapter, and the name of this USB Wi-Fi adapter is Li Guang LGN100. Speed of this USB Wi-Fi adapter is 150 megabit per second. It means with this USB Wi-Fi adapter you can receive up to 150 Mbps speed. It is based on the Raylink RT3070 chipset and hence supports the monitor mode. It has 14 dBi built-in antenna, and here is the test of this USB Wi-Fi adapter with Wi-Fi tool. As you can see guys, maximum signal strength which it is able to receive is from the Tenda router, and that signal strength is 78 dB. And the minimum signal strength which it is able to receive is 32 dB from YU5010 router. And number of Wi-Fi router which it is able to detect are 6. This USB Wi-Fi adapter is not dual band compatible, and hence it can only operate on 2.4 GHz frequency. No WPS button, but it is having a 5 meter cable. Its cost is $23 and 1500 rupees on banggood.com. It is big in size and hence less portable. Now let's talk about the number 3 USB Wi-Fi adapter, which is Alpha AWS036NH. In short, I call it NH model. The speed of this USB Wi-Fi adapter is 150 megabit per second. It is based on the Raylink RT3070 chipset and hence supports the monitor mode. It comes with 5 dBi detachable antenna and 7 dBi panel antenna. And here is the test of this USB Wi-Fi adapter with Wi-Fi tool. As you can see guys, maximum signal strength which it is able to receive is 84 dB from Tenda router, and minimum signal strength which it is able to receive is 24 dB from TP-Link router. And number of router which it is able to detect is 6. It is not dual band compatible and hence only operates on 2.4 GHz frequency band. It supports WPS by software. Its cost is $40 on Amazon.com and 5,500 rupees on Amazon.in. It becomes big in size with panel antenna and hence it is less portable. Now let's talk about the number 2 USB Wi-Fi adapter, and the name of this USB Wi-Fi adapter is Panda PAU09. Speed of this USB Wi-Fi adapter is up to 300 megabit per second. It comes with two 5 dBi detachable antennas which gives it a good signal strength. And here is the result of this USB Wi-Fi adapter with Wi-Fi tool. As you can see guys, maximum signal strength which it is able to receive is 61 dB from Tenda router, and minimum signal strength which it is able to receive is 11 dB from Abhishek Sharma router. And the game changing thing is it is dual band compatible, meaning you can operate it on both 2.4 GHz as well as 5 GHz. And you will also be able to jam all Wi-Fi routers which are operating on 5 GHz frequency. It supports WPS by built-in WPS button. Its cost is $28 on Amazon.com and 2,800 rupees on Amazon.in. It's mediocre in size and hence little bit less portable. Now let's finish this video with the number 1 USB Wi-Fi adapter, and the name of this USB Wi-Fi adapter is Comfast CF-WU722N. Speed of this USB Wi-Fi adapter is 150 Mbps. It comes with built-in 10 dBi antenna which gives it a good signal strength, and as you can see the Wi-Fi scan over here. Maximum signal strength which it is able to receive is 70 dB from Tenda router, and the minimum signal strength which it is able to receive is 21 dB from YU5010 router. This USB Wi-Fi adapter is not dual band compatible, no WPS button, but hold on, it is very cheap among all USB Wi-Fi adapters. It is available on Banggood.com for just $11 and 700 rupees. It is little bit big in size but gives your PC a monstrous look. So these are all USB Wi-Fi adapters in front of you with all sort of specs and comparison. Now choose best USB Wi-Fi adapter for you, and if you want to buy any one of them, then links are given in the description area. I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.